Visible?
Yeah, it's visible. Yeah, it's visible.
Yes. What the user for this? Mark when can use this one. Have you copied this user?
Yes.
That is John dot J, right? J or K? What
Yeah.
I have? J.
Let me see your message. I think it's K.
Yeah. Demo at the rate 12345. Okay. Showing pain. What was the user password? I'm audible. Indica. Hello.
Yeah, I'm there. Actually,
Oh,
some.
Indica, can you hear me?
Yeah, 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 yes, Manal. Yeah.
Okay. What was the password, Purnima?
For John,
No, yeah, for John.
just give me a second. For John, the password is John at the rate 123.
So scheduler is specifically for this ORC, or even you are aware like in the Oracle for running any processes on the UI, there is scheduler is running for those processes. So under this home tab, there is a tool configuration. You can mute yourself, like I'm hearing some noise. Okay. Under this tool tab, there is a schedule processes. I'll just open. I'll just show you it in Excel. Actually, there are different schedule processes. Like for whatever the requisition we have created, to appear that requisition on career site, so we need to run this scheduler, maintain candidate and job requisition, and publish job requisition. So generally on the client instance, on every 15 minutes, this scheduler is set up. Okay. And if the client is opting for Oracle module, then these are the schedulers, load, index, candidate. These are some schedulers which are run once whenever they opt for that particular module. So this was a concept of scheduler, like we will be taking in the session also. But for any requisition, to appear that requisition on career site, like once we have created a requisition, you might have seen the step that is move to posting. So whenever we are posting that requisition, so to appear that requisition on the career site, we need this maintain candidate and job requisition search and publish. So on the demo instance, what we used to do is,
Can you run once
yeah,
for
yeah,
us?
I'll run. I'll show you. There are a few already running, but for schedule new processes, you just click on schedule new processes. Then under this type search, publish, search for this publish. this is publish job requisition. To click on OK. Again, you have to click on OK. So if you directly click on submit, no, so this scheduler will run once. Since currently we have this new instance, so maybe probably next 10 days it is available. So what I'm doing is, generally we used to click on advance, then using a schedule. Sorry, since for this demo instance currently we are doing some development, and whatever we are creating requisition, I just want those requisition to appear on the career site. That's why I'm setting this value as either 2 minute, 3 minute. Okay, currently putting it as a 2 minute, but on the client instance it will be for 15 minutes. For ideal scenario it should be 15, but since we need all those requisition to be appear very fast, so that's why I have entered here 2 minutes. And
Now,
in,
Manali, I have a question here.
yeah,
Now you're going to schedule the publish thing. You have three portals. So will it publish on all the three portals or any one portal?
those portals is again dependent, they these career sites you are telling, right? Redwood, Supreme, and all those.
Yeah, correct, correct.
So those are based on different contexts. There are few filters they have mentioned. So this is for all the three career sites specifically. But
Okay.
uh, whatever the requisition you are creating and posting, so based on the criteria, like there are different filter criteria. So whichever criteria that particular requisition will fulfill, only on that career site it is going to be posted. Like every requisition is not posting on all the three career sites.
Okay.
Generally, on the client instance, there will be a single career site. In a rare scenario, like some client may ask their website in Arabic and some website in English also. So in that case, what they have option to choose the two language on the same instance, same career site. But some client may ask for create one career site which is in English and create one career site which is in Arabic. Otherwise, there will be a single career site on the production instance. Since this is demo instance, we have three. And after this job application flow only, we are going to see career site configuration. There will explain you like based on the different context, this job requisition are posting on the career site. But only on any one career site. It is not going to post on three different career sites. Okay. So you have to, I'm just changing this year. Start date and end date should be different. Like the scheduler is independent of which career site you are hosting. It is just to appear that requisition on the career site. So you don't need to create three different for the three different career sites. Okay. So you just have to click on submit. Since I have set this sorry, scheduler for 2 minutes, so on every 2 minutes it will appear. You can see this.
Yes.
I just set it for 2025. So as long as instances with us, it will be a working. And already that another also set up by uh, Indica. So date. You can select end date whichever you want. Just click on submit. Okay. I hope you got your answer, Purnima.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So this is way we set up career site. Not career site, schedulers, because if since this is the demo instance, we don't have scheduler running. Mostly we didn't come up with this issue on the production instance, but there were a few more issues like other configuration we are missing at job some missing values in job application flow, or in some candidate selection process. There are few steps are missing that can be happen in the production. Okay. So any query till here?
Manali, what is the backend of this? How this particular thing is designed? Is it people code or is something else?
No, the Oracle things are, I think so they are maintaining some table over here. Like you are asking me for a backend technology, like which code they are using?
Yeah, what code? You
No, no,
developer are working on what code?
no. We are currently working for automating all these test cases. This backend we don't have access. Oracle team is only have access to all this. They are provided us with this software, with this application. We have a right to customize this based on the features, whatever the features they have. All this
Okay.
backend, and I am talking about development means we are trying to automate all this steps.
Okay.
So again, few configuration. Moreover, this flow is same, but only few configurations will be different based on the client. So one topic today we have topic is job application flow, and then we will move to careers. So in job application flow, this is our portal, and I think so. You both of you have already tried this job application flow, right?
Yes, Manali.
Just yeah. Hi, Shubham. Can you hear me? Hello, Shubham. Okay, we will start with the topic. I'm trying to get that person in, but just a minute. माझा फोन आणून देता का हो? अहो द्या ना जरा, इथे पोरं मेसेज करतायत, त्यांना येता येत नाहीये लेक्चरला. Okay, I think so we can start. You have any query? I can see your hand raised, Purnima. Hello. Am I audible clearly?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
I just wanted to ask, you showed publish job requisition. So any process that we have to run for this requisition, all will run from that place only. Just we
No,
need to
no,
change the process.
no.
Correct?
We need to, yeah, we need to change the name of scheduler. There's two scheduler, like publish job requisition and another one. These both are only for publishing job requisition on the career side. So for the different processes in the ORC, we need the different schedulers.
Okay. And one more thing, when you in your script there is an option move the this particular option select move the job requisition. So
Yeah,
that option is not available. Means what enabled for a particular thing. So
like
my question is, unless a job is published, it cannot be moved to next scenario.
yeah. Which exactly which move step? Because there were few steps move candidate from phase this to state this. This is a moving candidate,
Just
and there is one like move candidate particular requisition move to posting. So unless and until you haven't posted, no one can see that particular requisition.
yeah, move to posting. It was
Yeah,
disabled
and
for one of my testing.
no, it is not visible exactly. Prior to that, there is a phase like I'll show you job formatting phase. So unless and until you
Yeah.
perform that job formatting, you can't see that move to posting.
Okay. And another thing, uh, wait. Send interview invite. This particular thing was not activated when I was doing it.
Yes,
So it
yes.
was activated for one of the openings applicant, and for another it was not open. So I just wanted to understand, when a job
It
is
is a
published, then
backend
only.
configuration. No, after the publishing requisition, you won't get this option. This is like configuration we need to set up. That is candidate selection. It is coming under that candidate selection process part.
Okay. I think when you will cover that, I will
Yeah,
get to
yeah.
know it.
Right.
Okay.
So, so both of you have already tried this job application flow. So exactly, a job application flow is whenever candidate is applying for any kind of requisition. So what all different information we need to gather? It is coming under the job application flow. So yesterday on the day before we have seen like these are the different blocks. Those are present in the job application flow. For example, I'm just repeating the example which we have seen earlier. If we want to create a requisition for experienced candidate, if we are looking for the experienced candidate, and if we are looking for the freshers. So based on our requirement for the experienced candidate, you will see what are the education required, then what will be the past salary, then what will be the license and certification. All these are the different data we ask for the experienced candidate. Whereas for the freshers, we don't need past salary, certificates details. We only look for the whatever the educations and the basic address and all. So whenever candidate will apply for the requisition, so whichever field recruiter wants to capture, all those are coming under this job application flow. So first I'll show you like exactly where on the UI this job application flow is uh, appearing. So there is a career site for the respective. For this instance, I'll just so this instance is very slow. I'm just opening that particular career site for this instance. You can open on the same browser since I have career site address in this Excel. That's why I'm opening on this browser. So this is the particular career site, and whenever a candidate, external candidate, there are two types of candidate in the system: internal and external. If we want to restrict some kinds of candidate, the based on the internal, if we want to uh, get only the internal candidate, then you will not post this requisition on external career site. This is for the external candidate. So whenever external candidate want to apply for any requisition, you will just click on this requisition, and then you are getting this option as apply now. Once you will click on apply now button, and it is asking for some uh, username.
It will ask for email ID, then
The
it will send a
certificate
verification number.
name.
You need to add that.
Yeah. For now, I'm just sorry. Just now I'll move to next. It will ask me for OTP. No. Okay. So whenever you will apply for this requisition, you will get all this details. So for now, you can see this import profile. This is a resume parser. This is again the third party integration into ORC. Resume parsing means if you upload your resume over here, so system will by default fetch all the your details like first name, last name, and everything. Okay. This is another block, that is contact information, then application question, work and education. So all these details uh, external candidate are supposed to provide, and all these are the block. All this called as a block in the configuration. So I'll just move to the configuration directly. So here under the setup and maintenance, make sure that you have selected the respective offering. Then you will move for this is job application flow. So you haven't add a recruiter role to this. So
Is it John? Yeah, I have added.
job requisition, job offer.
Can you click on job requisition once and see on the left? All tasks.
Maybe this is
I
a
think you need to go
different
by
instance.
offerings then.
I'll assign the recruiting administrator role to this. This was a different instance, I think. So you have set up day 26. This is day 5.
Okay.
Add. Yeah, it's not added actually. That's why it is not giving access to. This is under this functional area, candidate experience, job application, flow configuration. Select this, then here you can see there are different job application flow already present. These are since this is the demo instance, there are so many flows are available, but on the production instance, like on the real time project, there will be only few job application flows are available depending on the customer requirement, like what all different application flows they require. So for the creating new requisition, you can click on this create tab, or if want to copy any existing flow, then you can copy that particular flow. Just click on the create flow. You have to provide the flow name. So I'm just providing flow name as ORC job application flow. Code, there should be unique code. Okay. There are three different types of flow. A talent community, request information, apply, and event. For now, we are only creating this flow for apply now. On the career side, we are see whenever we are clicking on that apply now button, or at that time we need that particular configuration. So that's why this type of flow is called as apply flow. Talent community is again the one community or the one type of configuration on the career side. At that time, we are using this talent community. Request more is a part of candidate selection process. An event are the there are certain events. If we configure those events, then again those events are going to posted on the career site, and for that kind of event we need this configuration. But for now we are looking for the only apply now flow. If you want, you can provide some description and then click on save and continue. Now you can see we have filled all the basic information, and just we have done with the this whatever the required flow name code. Context information means based on the recruitment type. Since we know there are total 5 types of recruitment: campus, contingent, executive. So if you want to make for particular campus type, we want this flow to be default. Default means whenever we are creating requisition of recruitment type as a campus, then this flow will appear by default. We no need to select that drop down value. So this can be set. Then again, once we are done with this, then you can click on create version. So under this job application flow, you can create n number of versions. For now, I'm just giving the version 1. You have to select start date, or either you can click on start on activation. So these are the different blocks you can see. This is the block library. Total 21 blocks are there, and these are the sections. Total 5 sections are there. Till now, flow is clear, like how you have to navigate in the backend.
Yes.
Okay. So here you can see these many check boxes were. Legal disclaimer means for some kind of requisition you may have seen, like whenever we are entering this particular mail ID, whenever we are like whenever we are applying for this requisition, previous to this screen there where I have entered the mail ID. So that particular mail ID thing, and below that there is one checkbox is coming, like you have to accept those terms and conditions, that is coming under this configuration. Okay, this legal disclaimer means first we have to accept the terms and conditions along with the whatever the email ID we have provided. That is this legal disclaimer. E-signature is like on the end of this here you have to select these two check boxes, and here if you enable that particular functionality like e-signature, you will get here e-signature. You have to enter your e-signature over here. Then campaign opt-in, job alert opt-in, this is what here. Agree to receive new opportunities and marketing communications. Those two check boxes is for these two like whichever, depending on the external candidate requirement, like whenever we are applying as external candidate, if we want to receive some kind of notification and all those, then we can just select these check boxes. And finally, one page application flow. Now you are seeing that all these blocks, all these sections are on a single page. This is one page application flow. But if you want to choose, like client may want that I don't want to appear all the values on a single page, unless and until this particular person has enter his personal info, he don't have access to job application questions and all. So you can create the job application flow this section wise. In that case, you have to disable this particular option. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
uh, so this e-signature is for providing e-signature at the end. Then job alert opting and all those functionality, you can try out like creating one requisition. This is the new job application flow which is I'm configuring now. And whatever we are seeing here, this is a different job application flow which is already we have configured with this requisition. Okay, so in the personal info you can see currently there are these many different blocks. If you want to add some new box, then you can add over here. Same like job application questions, experience, and summary. Okay, so whatever the blocks you want to select, you can select those, get those blocks over here. Supporting documents, whenever you are getting this red mark, no, you just have to open that particular block. Just select resume is required or not, social media is required or not, whatever the details it is asking, and click on save. All this data is getting paged from the uh, core HR. That's why it is showing this red mark. Go for the license data, click on. You just have to make this all these details filled, and then only you are able to create this version. So for now, so this timeline is a combination of specifically education and experience. On this requisition, you can see this one. Under this work experience, you can see experience as well as education. So it is showing some timeline. Even if you don't want this, you can disable that particular timeline, like you can remove this timeline box from here, and you can add experience and education in this experience section. Okay, finally the education and providing some degrees, click on save. Is that clear? Any question over here?
No, Manali, I'm good.
Okay, save, and I'm clicking on save and activate. Even if you want and save as a draft, you can do that. For now, I'm just activating. So this is only one version we have created. Can use default other timeline. It is giving errors because I have already selected education in the timeline. Okay. Okay. This is the one version you can see, and this is the current version, and it is already activated version. Okay. Okay. So this is all about the job application. Do you have any question over here? Like I'm going to give you 5 to 6 questions on the job application flow. I just want you all to get all those answers. Okay. Any question till here?
No.
Okay. So this version concept is basically for like in this version we have seen like only few blocks we have added. Okay. So in the letter phase, the client may want some few more blocks. They may want to get some documents related stuff over here, like we have to gather some document from a candidate, or they may want to remove some blocks. In that case, we can create the new version. You don't have access to edit the earlier version. You don't have access to edit whatever. So in that case, we will create the new version. Okay. So whenever we are creating new version, your old version will inactivate. It is like a default functionality of this recruitment model, and whichever version you are creating, that will get activated. And in that scenario, like we are creating the job application flow and we are attaching this. Do you have any idea like where we are attaching in this UI? We are doing this creating this job application flow, right?
Yeah.
And
We are
on
attaching it by creating the requisition.
yes, in the requisition, which section, Indica?
Configuration.
So in the requisition, we are attaching this in the requisition. So what you are supposed to do today, just create one job application flow, try attaching it to the respective requisition. I have already set up scheduler on this instance, so those requisition will appear on the career side. Just try to apply it for that requisition, and you will come to know like what all blocks are enabled. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll just even I'm posting all these questions in the this is, on the Google Classroom. Still, I just want, can we restrict this job application flow based on business unit role? Role means recruiter role, hiring manager role, or this, and the recruitment type, that executive campus. I just if answer is yes, then how we can configure that? If it is no, like just I want to know whether it is possible or not. Even can we add or remove sections and
This
block?
you gave the other day also, no? You gave these
No, no,
questions
no.
on Friday also.
Friday, I think so. There were two different questions.
Okay, you gave can we add or remove the sections? I have responded to that thing.
Okay,
Hmm.
Yes, man. Like the second and
okay.
third one, it's given for the previous like
Yeah.
five question as well. Yeah.
Which one?
Not
This
first
one.
one. First
Okay,
one is a new
section
one.
and
Yeah.
blocks. Okay.
That too. Yeah.
So if like can we add and remove the blocks? Answer is yes, and how we can do that? Okay. So even if you didn't send me the screenshot, you can just explain me the things in the session. Okay. And how to remove this timeline, and can we edit the version? I have already answered this question. Okay. Okay. So just try creating this flow, and then you will come to know how this is appearing on the UI. Create two flow and try to configure those two flow with the respective requisition, and then you will come to know the what are the different things we can configure in the this flows. Okay.
Okay.
And can we restrict these things? Means particularly I want, like if we choose particular recruitment type. So only the sorry, where it is. If we choose particular recruitment type as a campus, then that particular job application flow should be visible to the all the requisition with this recruitment type, not to the others. Is that possible or not? Just get this answer. At least just get this answer. Okay.
Yeah.
So then anything is there I can help you with.